Yo, what's going on, shroomies and shroomettes? It's your guy with the fungi, Easy Blue Thumb, and we are back with another one. And in today's video, we're doing a setup and review for the new Spider Farmer gravity-fed self-watering system for all you plant lovers out there. Let's get it. Let's go. So here we have the gravity-fed self-watering system. Now, the system doesn't need any power. It's completely fed by gravity. Let's get into the small items first. Got a couple of flower pots. This looks like our watering unit. Cool little Spider Farmer base. Silicone hose. And this looks like our water chamber, 50-liter max. These go in here. And these go in here. It has these rubber O-ring seals, which looks like you put one in here, one on this side to prevent any leakage. So that's the base like that. When it goes in here, this goes into this end. Okay, and then we have our outlet. Put this up in here. Now let's install these grommets for our T-connectors. This goes in right in here for our T-connector to go in this way. So you just put it in like an X, and this will absorb the water as your pot is on it. And this will be absorbed through the fabric of the pot. Very simple. Spider Farmer, they know what they're doing. Okay, so we have everything facing forward, right? We have our hose. We'll set this up right here in the back. So this is what we'll do. Nice and simple. Now for the end, you want to take your end cap because water will shoot out of here. What we do is put this end on first, cap it off with this, and then screw on. So right here is closed like a T. We make a T to close it, and now this is open. Final pot of water, just because we're at just under 50 liters of water. You can add your nutrients or whatever you need inside here, and then your plants will be watered nice and evenly throughout the week. Let's cover this up. There we go. Spider Farmer gravity-fed water system, completely electric free. I appreciate y'all for rocking with your boy. Y'all be easy. Hey.